good. There's it. It's
This one's
changed.
shaking. No.
No, not yet.
He's kind of shaking.
He's lasting longer.
Yeah, that means he's gonna last longer now. Once you change him.
Yeah, because I changed him first in the black. Now he's gonna be
almost
longer.
shaking. No.
Almost. I can't wait till he does.
Yeah, because we need to change him.
Yeah.
Pretty bad.
And your black with green will be probably even faster than the bad one. We'll have to see. I gotta get it. Where is he? Ah, he's going over there. Way over there.
I need to get number 1 and number 2. That's the next one.
I got him. Okay, Lucas, let's try him. Yours is fast. It got up really fast. Look, watch how fast yours gets up. And this one takes a lot longer. Look at
This red one.
yeah,
He
but
is
it's not
just like this guy.
shaking his head no yet.
I know.
Yeah. At least they let us know when they're all the way dead. By shaking their head no. I saw him.
There's number 1.
I saw him. I saw him over there somewhere.
Whoa. I saw him by the carpet.
He's shaking his head no.
This guy closes him. It's like,
Yeah. Whoa. Your blue one is really dead, Lucas. Your habitat blue.
but no one else.
Yeah, it's gonna shake his head no soon. Yours. This one with the blue cover. No circling. Uh-oh. What?
One of your hedge bugs are stuck.
Oh.
There.
It's a purple. Nah, that was a cat toy. Where's number 1?
Number 1 is inside the...
Oh, I thought we didn't have him yet. Lucas's. I'm changing the white now. He'll be fast.
I'm in a wrestling match with, okay, where is your black one?
I don't know. He's running around free.
Then I'll put someone else in the wrestling match.
He'll come soon here. Well, I bet he's stuck under a chair. Nope, I see him. Here, the light's changed. Whoa, he got up right away. Here he is. I was showing the camera how fast it is. It's going in circles, that black and white change. That one. This is Lucas's gray. Lucas, look! He was completely dead. Ah! We almost got him in the chamber. There, now we know where the escape is. Yeah, yeah.
gonna win?
Lucas, this is yours. It's gonna shake no. Soon.
Who's gonna win? The orange one won.
Nobody's up there right now. Yeah, but it's gonna be somewhat. The racing red and that other red. Hey! He's kind of fast. He is fast because he gets up pretty quick, but they just go slow on. Oh, yeah. All the reds are, all the different kinds of reds they make are in there. There he goes. Whoa! Holy crud. He bounces good. This is Lucas's. It's shaking now. It's dead now. I'm gonna let some free. I have to let some of these free because it's really loud in there. Oh, I keep doing that to burn clumsy. Yeah.
I'm gonna go grab your red or whatever.
Nothing else coming down here.
No, he said he's gonna put them in my room. Look at this is the broken one. That's the broken blue one.
Looks pretty broken. Oh, he's stopped.
And he's really fast. He went like that before. That's how fast he was.
You know what? I saw his propeller move.
Yeah, I know.
Then it stopped.
It shakes his head no when it's going. Yours ran completely dead. Now it's gonna be fast a little bit. Like the others. Not like the white though. The white and black are fast. Here's Lucas's. This is Lucas's black. I got some more. There they are. And that's last. These are just four. That's mine. This one's mine. It has the pokey cover on it. almost completely dead. There it goes. Pet's the broken one. There's purples in there. Nice, second one. Oh, it's been 10 minutes.